Hello guys, I'm back from Readiness with the Dxy, and today again we are looking at the on this chart, and today we'll be analyzing the Euro and GP both. Yesterday we traded we are still inside this last down candle, so still price has not traded through that one, which we will change our mind that there was inversion fair value gap if you remember in the weekly time frame. I'm not gonna go back and tell you that if that inversion fair value gap or the weekly time frame gets drilled through with a full body close on the downside, then only we can have a scenario that we are shifting our gears, and then it's probably gonna take out and reach this one. But until we do that, we don't have a clear scenario what it's gonna do. So now the daily time frame. Today's Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. So think about it. As we are shifting lower, but have we traded through this one? No, we are still inside that. Tuesday. Usually it might be the low of the day. What is it doing? This might be the low of the week. Think about it. We are expecting bearish prices as it has shifted its gears a little bit. I mean, initial, I mean, this high, this low has not made a higher high. So we cannot say that market had shift in market. There is a shift in market structure because this is the low. This has created a tremendous move and taken out the buy side liquidity. Also made a higher high than the previous high. But this low has not made a previous, a higher high. So we cannot say that now we have shifted our market structure. Hope you are getting what I'm trying to convince you, not convince you, telling you. So now I'm switching onto the lower time frame, but my internet connection today is a little bit troubling me, so might takes time. That's why I want to change my time frame, but we have to anyway. 2 hour and 40 minutes. 2:40. Okay, looks like it's good. Okay. I'll just have a naked chart so that it will be easier for us to analyze the chart. Look how beautiful liquidity is there, and trend line phantom is also being made. We traded through here, but look at the bodies of the candles. They're still inside this one. In the higher time frame, this is a order block, the daily, which we just saw. Again, guys, don't take my words. Go back into your charts and see whether what I'm things I'm referring are there or not. Sell liquidity taking Tuesday low of the week. If we think so, Tuesday has made a low of the week, and this should not be violated once again. Although it looks like a liquidity pool low, but it is not. So I'm not predicting that it's gonna do this or this. I'm just favoring a side that we are still stuck inside a range. So we cannot say, but what side I'm favoring is the buy side still. After this is stop run also. Coming on to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Down candle, up candle, down, fair value gap, mitigation. There was a mitigation. Also, this is a breakout too. It rallied. starting. Yeah, so it rallied, came here, goes down, breaker, sells a liquidity taken. Now let's go to 15-minute time frame. We have a beautiful, very beautiful level gap here. Market filled that. Now we are looking to explode. On, okay. Mm, it looks good to me until we take out and trade below this down candle. I'll favor buy side. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, now majority of your time should be spent on the higher time frame, as I told, so that you don't target the lower time frame liquidity. And the daily time frame, this is the king time frame, guys. This is the king time frame. Nothing is bigger than this time frame, more clear than this time frame. See, I was talking about this range from this low to that high. It still stand this range inside this order block. Again, 15-minute time frame for I'm gonna look. Yeah, it looks good. It looks really good just because we have a beautiful fair value gap here. Short term high taken, a break in market structure, shift in market structure, and now we are exploding. That looks good. Yesterday was a mess. The dollar, all this consolidation. You don't need to participate in that type of price action because you know that we will get more clear price action. Then why do we need to participate in a particular one and throw our money in the market like a gambler? We don't need to. Okay, guys, now let's start daily euro. Okay, um, I already told you about the internet connection. It's slow today. I really like the fact that it has closed this volume imbalance once again. It's a little bit higher, but look at the bodies of the candle. They're still below that order block. Now, now, um, it looks like it had topped the week. Looks like, well, let's go to the lower time frames. We have clear liquidity pool here. One thing, guys, if let me switch the time frame again to the daily time frame, and I'll show you when we will expect the bullish price. We have taken out this high, then again this one. We will look at the opening and the mean threshold of this candle. The fact that I'm not favoring the buy side liquidity right now is just because we have traded, we have still not traded through this one, this down candle. Look at the borders of the candles, they're still respecting the last of close candle as a bearish order block. So now if we take out those high, then I will be looking at the mm, I mean, first of all, this one. Nothing more, no market prediction. This one or that one. This one here, go, go, go. No. Have patience. I already told you about mental connection. Okay, it's here. Um, you might be thinking about this order block, right? But look at this one. We have traded inside this fair value gap. If it was really good, it should have expanded. It should not have came down here. It's my way of thinking. 1 hour time frame, and this we will have a detailed view. Okay, so let me start. Okay, so you can see that um, this is Monday and this is Tuesday. This is our weekly open. We have traded high in the week. Tuesday is usually the high of the week. It's not clear in the lower time frame. Let's see. I'm gonna show you the yesterday scenario. Yesterday, um, well, yesterday I wanted to short the market, but as it was a CPI and usually should not be participating in that gambling, at least initially. But if I should have waited, I should have got it. But it was not slow, clear. Still, it's just a consolidation mess. We are still look at this low. We're still not traded below this one. So as long as we are inside the high and this low, we should just wait for the market to get out of the range so that we can have a clear scenario, a clear picture what it's gonna do next. Okay. Um. Now 5 minute time frame just for sake of purpose of my analysis. Yeah. Okay. So yesterday, I think this was it. Okay. Um. I was looking at the fair value gap. It is in the lower time frame. There is a fair value gap somewhere here. I thought it's just gonna explode on the downside, but it really take out those highs. The buy side and the sell side, both the liquidities are being taken and then consolidated. Exactly, this is what happening in the price. Okay, now what did I want to see? I want to see lower prices. The euro. Yeah, I want to see lower prices in the euro. And also, at least let's wait for the market to at least get out of this range, because unless the market get out of the range, we don't. We, I mean, we can't say anything. We just have to wait patiently. Okay, again, 1 day time frame, because in the higher time frame, that's what you need to spend your time. There will you get the daily in the 4 hour. There you will get your extra liquidity. Not in the lower time frames. Just be patient, guys. I told you my important internet connection. Okay. Let me share it again. Just be patient. Be patient. Okay. Now I think it's visible. Okay. So in the daily time frame, what I told you, if we are bearish, we'll target this short term low, and if we are bullish, I'm not predicting the market both of the side, but I'm favoring the sell side. I don't say this is an order book, because the sentiment of the market is bearish, not bullish. Now the GBP USD, last closing basis. Today my internet connection is giving me a lot of problem. I don't know what happened to it. I know it's a hovering part. Okay, now we're back. By looking at this market, what do you think? Is it bearish or bullish? It clearly looks bullish because the down candles are also supporting the price. Obviously, it's going to take out the highs. I'm not saying that it's not going to take the highs. It's probably, it's surely, not surely. It looks like it's going to do that. So, if the dollar is bearish, it's better to buy euro. I think so. If dollar is bullish, it's better to sell euro. And if dollar is bearish, it's better to buy euro. I mean the GBP. So uh, by looking at this chart, I can't say that it's gonna take out those lows. It looks like, it clearly looks like it's want to take out those high. If it does so, it will reach in the, it will reach in this area. Look at those lines, and this here will look at where it is. Yeah, this one. So I'm expecting bullish dollar. So I'll participate in the euro just because my expectation for the dollar is bullish. Look at this. This was Monday trading. This is Tuesday. It might be the high of the week. So the 1 hour time frame, we can see that Monday was trading was this, Tuesday trading is this one. But yesterday yesterday it was a good trade for buying GPUSD. Let me show you. At the time of the news, what I saw, price created a run. Price created this run, and a beautiful fair value gap was also there in the lower time frames. In the lower time frames, you will see that here is in the into the VIX, which has it retraced and mitigated. There are also gaps, so it was a beautiful price action to mitigate the orders there. And just it then rallied, but I wasn't has not taken this trade because I was expecting a bearish one. I mean, I was expecting dollar to go bullish and euro to go bearish and GP bearish. So I didn't thought that it's gonna go buy side. Today wasn't a good trading day, although many traders have traded, but uh, it was just not good because yesterday DXY was bearish. Euro GBP was in bearish trend. Um, the gold was in bearish trend. The pairs which usually move opposite, they were moving in the same way. So it doesn't make sense for me to participate in the market. Okay, now in the closing sense. Um I don't know about this way. I don't know. I don't want to participate in this one. If I get some sign that dollar wants to go bearish, then only I will participate in this pair. Also that too in the New York. Nothing else. Right now I don't know what is going on in this pair. I really don't know. For me, it is more clear the Euro USD. I just want to stay with this one because I'm expecting bullish dollar and bearish euro. So I will look at this pair. If I get bearish dollar, then I mean, if I get signs that dollar want to go bearish, then I will participate in the GBP USD. Unless then I will stick with the Euro USD for the downside perspective. Nothing else, guys. See you again tomorrow. Wish you good luck and good trading.